That's it. You're kidding! You're kidding! Now you dipped out. We out here, baby. First proper full drive session in Cole. We just had heaps of rain, so we thought we'd come out and do some slippery slides. We're not doing anything hectic, obviously. Fresh build, no suspension in it yet, but that works good. So we figured, yeah, we'll just get out, have a bit of fun, play around in the mud. Look how clayey it is. Look at all that mud. Hectic. G'day, Monish. Alright, so we're out at a local spot called Old Clounder Road. Hey, Ryan. And we've got two dmaxes, Heath and Ryan. Ryan's in the black one. Harry's in the Jeep. Excuse me, Jess. Harry's in the Jeep. Obviously, we've got the patrol out, so it's pretty muddy. Right, so I think we're just going to adventure around, play in the mud, and try not to get too dirty, but I think that's going to be impossible today.
I'd say so.
Yeah, impossible.
It's looking that way.
And we're just out here enjoying our life. Who's going out there first? Two-wheel drive. Heath, get out there. Get out there. I'll film.
Why do I always end up doing
this? If you can get across that in two-wheel drive, I will give a little bit more respect to dmaxes. Just a little bit. 5% more.
I don't even think you're patrolling it across it.
Come on, mate. It's a bloody patrol. We've had 2 days of rain, and she's bloody slippery out here. Right, Heath's up through the cesspit. I don't know if you guys remember, but Heath is the guy who full sent into a puddle at Landcruiser Park, so it's only right he goes first. Stock dmax. 32s. 32s.
Ready to go.
Yeah,
all terrains.
Yep.
The cesspit's got nothing.
Airbags. Oh. Holy crap. That is sloppy as. Yep. Spin it up, mate. Anyway, let's carry on. Let's go up that way. Let's try and find some sort of a challenge and then have a challenge.
What do you think? This is Top Gear?
So where we're at the moment is just a, it's just like sort of a half tracky area out the back, like very local to us. I'm about 9'10", so you can see she's probably about an 8-foot drop here. And, we're sending Ryan up two-wheel drive. Upper! Hey Jesse! Right, we're moving on. We're going up to Quarry. It was a fun little muddy bit, but it's definitely super slippery and super wet out here, but Patrol just loves it. Yeah mate, AC's overrated, alright? We don't need it in Queensland. Going the mud pit first, the mud hill. This looks pretty hairy, eh? Jesse, go first.
Yeah, man, this is gonna be fun.
Basically just sliding down it. It's just super slippery. It's like soup.
There's any Harry sails up this.
Oh, that looks fun. Wait, that looks alright, eh? Up it, Harry. The Trump Jeep.
Trumpinator.
Jesus, take the wheel. Righto, this is the Quarry. They've definitely flattened it out a bit before. There used to be a massive hill just there, and I think there's still one track just there and one over the back there, so we might actually, we might still have a bit of fun, but they've definitely come out and destroyed most of it, which is understandable because people come out here and burn cars down and get on the piss and they leave all their rubbish. We're just going to have a play around here, get up to some mischief. This one looks drivable. Yeah, the dangers are the dmax is going to bottom out. All right, Ryan, go get your car. I'll see how you go first.
Oh yeah, I'll see how you go first.
Yeah, I'll see how you go, then I'll go. Yeah, look out, mate. You don't have 33s. Right, Jesse's giving it a crack. What do you reckon? Belly out? Yep. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Because that, I mean, I'm not gonna run down there now, but that hill there probably doesn't look big on camera, but it's pretty big. You reckon 10 foot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 metre.
Yep. I'm slightly scared.
I am too. Well, there goes your manhood. You're not getting married anymore.
Hang on. Hang on. I've got to get somewhere safe. Oh, come on. You're going to break your CV. You have to go this way. You got your lockers on, mate?
Yeah, 2-wheel.
That's it.
I actually did it.
Not bad. Who's up now?
You. Alright, so I put a rock down, go up and go as much as you can right hand down, and you'll hit it. See how you go.
Go that way a little more. Yep. Go that way, go that way. Now turn that way. Go that way, go that way. Try and keep this wheel in the middle of this line. Turn that way. Turn that way, that's it. You're kidding! You're kidding! Now you diffed out. You bellied. You're kidding. You nearly made it. You got a gurney to clean your car? I got a hoist and a gurney. Just clean it from here, mate. You don't need a hoist.
I think we're going home. It's starting to rain, so might get out of here before it gets too slippery. Yeah, just getting a couple flex photos, then we're getting out of here. Got to head to the car wash and then clean coal up. Perform really well, love it. All right, see you everyone. See you Jess. See you Harry. Get her up, mate. That's all she's got.